Hi and a warm welcome to Jim Reid Vehicle Sales. Just going to show you around our Ford Focus RS that we have in stock, just to let you see a little bit more up close and personal with it. So here we go. So this is the 2016 Ford Focus RS with 31,500 miles on the clock. It is a local car and as we know the car, and we've just recently bought it into stock. As you can see, very well spec'd piece of kit as well. It is finished in the Nitrous Blue, which has a lovely sparkle. Hopefully you'll see that today in the sunlight there. Lovely sparkle through it. And it's got the upgraded forged alloys, which have just newly been powder coated as well, in a very, very dark sparkly grey. So they look awesome. And it's also got the Brembo brakes as well, blue Brembos. This car has just been through our workshop and has received service and also front and rear brake pads and discs and rear pads. So looking absolutely spot on there. Condition wise, like we say, very, very clean. Alloys have been newly powder coated, so there's no marks on them. And the paintwork's in pretty good condition as well. I'll show you the front end. There's not a lot in the way of stone chips at the front either, so I'll show you that in a wee second. It is a 2016, but it's got the Lux pack, which is your parking sensors and even reversing camera there as well. And I'll just show you in the boot here. Lovely clean boot with your inflation kit in the back there as well. Okay. Carry on round the car. Back wheels there again. Unmarked as they are newly done. This car's also just been fitted brand new with Michelin, 4 brand new Michelin tyres. Just fitted at the weekend there, so you won't have that cost going forward as well. But all in all, very, very, very clean car. Look at that sparkle. So just to let you see the front here, there's not much in the way of stone chips, as I was saying. Normally you can find these RSs, if they've been thrashed, they can have quite a few stone chips and things on them, but it's very, very, very clean. Daylight running lights, tinted windows. This one's even got your sunroof as well. Keyless entry, and it's got the standard seats. Now the advantage with the standard seats is the fact that you do have height adjustable seats. With the shell seats, there's no adjustments that you can make apart from forwards and backwards. With the slightly more comfortable Recaro standard seats, they are just height adjustable as well. Still very comfortable. It's got electric folding mirrors, full electric windows, automatic lights, wipers, cruise control. And then if I jump in here, you've got 2 keys with the car, lock and wheel nut, and then full service history. And like I say, we've just carried out the service on the vehicle, along with getting brakes done. It does have a front heated windscreen, touchscreen radio. Now if I just start it up, it's keyless start, so just push a button and away we go. So it's got navigation there, and of course, like I say, select reversing camera comes on, and then obviously it needs a wee bit of fuel there, but it's showing at 31,500 miles. So very, very clean car. It's got everything you need, and it is now ready for you to purchase here at Jim Reid Vehicle Sales. Any more questions, feel free to give us a shout, let us know, and we'd be delighted to help. There is finance obviously available as well, PCB, HP, subject to your status. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.